Hello guys, welcome to Water Sign Philippines. So reading po ito for Water Sign Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. Take only what resonates. Bali hindi ito magre-resonate sa lahat kasi hindi ko naman talaga makukuha lahat ng energy ng water sign sa mundo. So bahala ka nang ilagay ang sarili mo dito, no? Kung hindi ka nakaka-relate, hindi ka nakaka-resonate, okay lang yon. May mga next readings pa naman tayo. Yan. Pwede mo rin namang puntahan itong si Jing Tarot Reader, ano. Pwede ka sa kanyang pa-reading kung gusto mo magpa-personal reading. At follow mo rin ako sa TikTok, guys. Unicorn Princess Tarot. Ayan. Start na natin. This is for water sign. Doon sa akin TikTok shop, doon ka makaka-avail ng mga products namin, guys. Mga evil eyes and crystals bracelets. So anyway, let's start your reading. This is for the sign of water sign. Yan. Nakakita ko sa'yo ng new beginning in the near future. Actually, this is a near future or ito na, malapit na or yung iba ngayon nangyayari na ngayon, ano. And with the chariot, this is the sign of Cancer. Ayan, so nakakita tayo dito ng possible pagta-travel. And I feel like this is a thing na parang, yung iba iniisip pa lang, ayan, sabi ko nga, yung iba hindi pa nangyayari, yung iba nangyari na, or nangyayari na. So, may pagta-travel, may new beginnings, and yung iba with the Four of Swords, I feel like, yung iba you're manifesting this, or yung iba wala ka naman talaga magawa. You need to do this, parang ganun. And nakakita tayo dito na maybe may kinalaman ito sa Justice card, which is yung iba I can hear the word marriage. So may kinalaman sa marriage or may kinalaman sa career. Yan. So I don't know, maybe you are attending a marriage or what, or regarding sa career, pwedeng ganon. So pagdating sa love, sino itong person na kakonect with water sign? For your person, you do have the Empress, Page of Pentacles, and the Four of Cups. For some of you, kung wala kang kakonect, I can see you love yourself. You do love yourself and you're focusing on yourself. Ganon. Kasi pagdating sa mga bagong person na pumapasok sa buhay mo, parang hindi ka sure sa mga taong to. So, nakukuha natin yung energy na parang medyo mahirap pagdating sa love ngayon, or medyo nahihirapan ka pagdating sa paghahanap ng kapareha because maybe nakikita mo yung mga abilidad nila and you're not satisfied. Hindi ka, parang alam mo yun, parang hindi mo gusto, or hindi nila nakukuha ganun masyado yung attention mo. And yung iba sa inyo, if you are dealing with someone, this person is really attracted to you. No, kaya lang, but for some of you, ikaw yung umiiwas, ikaw yung iwas ng iwas, ikaw yung layo ng layo. So, may ganon. May ganon ding energy ako nakukuha. Anyway, what is your emotions towards this person para dun sa mga may kakonect? Eight of Swords. So, ikaw, pinapahiraman mo yung sarili mo sa totoo lang. Nakikita natin, you could be stuck in a situation, or ikaw ito na nilalagyan mo ng harang or boundaries itong connection ninyo, because the Eight of Pentacles, you might feel like marami pa naman diyang iba, Parang gano'n. Kumbaga hindi ka nagpapaka-settle or hindi ka pag may nakita kang hindi mo nagustuhan sa kanya, it's easy for you to leave the situation or hindi siya pansinin or what. Kasi actually sa ngayon nakikita natin, wala ka naman talagang pakialam pagdating sa love. You care about yourself, you care about your growth, your maturity, gano'n. Wala kang pakialam sa mga love na yan. So anyway, what is this person's emotions towards you? Eight of Cups. This person wants to marry you. Gusto kanyang pakasalan in the future. So, kung hindi, if you are a member of LGBTQIA+, so gusto niya magkaroon ng pagsasama, gusto niya ng, kumbaga yung thinking nitong taong to, hindi lang pang ganito. Gusto niya ng, hindi lang dahil gusto kanya ganun. Gusto niya ng panghabang buhay na relasyon. So, you're dealing with someone na, although you see this person as someone immature, ganyan, pero matured din naman yung thinking niya pagdating sa love or sa emotions. Kasi, maybe he or she is younger than you, ganun. Pero, emotionally, medyo mas nakikita natin, matured siya, no, mag-isip. Kung makikipagrelasyon siya, actually kahit hindi lang sa iyo kahit sa ibang connection, pero looking forward na siya sa pang seryosohan na relasyon. Okay? So, what will happen in the near future for you? True water sign. Wow, you do have the Three of Pentacles. I can see possible growth. Financial growth. The Ten of Cups is here, so Two of Cups, this signifies, yeah, um, yeah, the Sun. I can see a lot of happiness in the near future sa'yo. Whether may kinalaman sa family, I can see relationship with the Two of Cups na pwedeng mag-evolve. Nakakita tayo ng pagsasama. I can see growth pagdating sa money. And tell me about this. Seven of Cups is here. But I feel like kahit magkaroon ng konting growth, hindi ka ganun ka-satisfied. Alam mo, ikaw kasi yung tipo ng tao na mahirap masatisfy. I mean, lagi kang may nakikitang hindi maganda or ang hirap mo i-please. No? You know what I mean? So, although maganda yung energy mo in the future, lagi ka pa rin may hinahanap na kulang sa buhay mo. And I feel like for some of you, although there's growth sa'yo, may mga unhappy, emotionally and pagdating sa family, ganyan, and relationship, maganda yung sinasabi sa'yo in the future. Pagdating sa money, maybe may conflict. Bakit may conflict? Kasi, yun nga, hindi ka satisfied and you're not happy na although, okay, sige, may growth sa'yo financially, pero mismo dun sa lugar na yun, pwedeng may mga issues, pwedeng makitaan mo ng mga mali, and gusto mong baguhin, ganyan, and nakakita tayo dito ng possible na gusto mo na namang mag-change or magpalit ng trabaho, ganito, ganyan. So, may mga nakikita kang hindi mo nagugustuhan na although may growth sa'yo, hindi mo yun na-appreciate. Okay, so, for the person you're dealing with, the Sun is here. So, yeah, this is the person na possible na magkaroon kayo ng relationship. And this is, as you can see, there's this moving upward. So, pwedeng may pagle-level up nga talaga ng connection sa inyo nitong taong to. But, the Five of Swords, something is going to happen here. So, pwedeng may mga ika-cut off or tatanggalin. And tell me about that. So, yung mga tatanggalan na yan with the Page of Wands, maybe communication with the Emperor. So, I feel like either ikaw or yung person mo is going to cut off other people sa buhay ninyo or niya, no, which is high chance naman talaga ng oo, gagawin yun kasi magkarelasyon na eh. Yung iba magkakaroon, from being single, high chance ng relationship. Kaya lang, of course, may mga isa-sacrifice, may mga kakonect na iba na tatanggalin na. And normal yon. Okay, this is cutting off another connection or yung mga ibang person na kakonect, maybe whether they are friends uh, or ka-fling, dapat naman talaga tanggalin yun dahil nga magka-relationship na. So, high chance of a relationship sa inyong dalawa. Okay? Maybe you would realize itong halaga na to person na ito or kung paano kanya bina-value. So, hindi ko yun in-expect actually kasi mabilisan lang eh. Parang from this, alam mo ikaw yung tipo ng tao na nakitaan natin na pabago-bago yung isip mo. So, from this, na nakikita mo yung mga negative traits ng isang tao, isang snap lang, biglang, ay, okay, mukha naman siyang mature, mukha naman siyang seryoso, ganito, ganyan. So, might as well give him or her a chance. So, nakikita natin yung ganong energy mo. Anyway, so, that's it for now. Thank you for watching. Sana nakarelate kayo, nakaresonate kayo. Please do like and subscribe to our channel. Unicorn Princess Tarot, Madam P TV, Virgo Philippines, Dapit Hapon TV, Water Sign Philippines, Madam P Vlogs, Libra Philippines. I love you all guys. Thank you for watching and bye-bye.